you search for how to buy shares of SMAIO SA. SMAIO SA is listed on Euronext under the ticker ALSMA.PA, and this video explains the basic steps to access that market. This is educational content only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, which typically requires a valid ID, and you'll need to add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ALSMA.PA to find the stock. Select the matching listing to ensure you have the correct company before proceeding. On the asset page, you'll see basic company information and a price chart to review recent performance. Confirm the company name and ticker match the SMAIO SA listing. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirmation. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the trade can be confirmed. After the order fills, the position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the link to the platform example is in the description below.